Good morning, everyone. Today is beautiful day. Today I going to make a videos for somebody requested that if I can making a videos for how to pedal, to use the pedal, I think, or to how to pedal the machine. So I don't know what she's using. It's different, or different machines, or juki machine also. But anyway, it's all machine is the same how to use the pedals. So I use my juki machines, and I wanted to show how to use a pedal to this machine. So I hope you like it, or if you have any questions again, just let me know. If you want me to create a videos how to operate the whole machine, like a bobbins or whatever different kind of food, how to change it, just let me know, because sometimes I'm busy, I working also, and plus I'm a mom with 2 kids. Thank you. And let's do this. I want to show you how to use the pedal for this machine. Okay, I turned on already my machines, and then I want to start how to sew, and I want to show you also how to use pedals. So this one is a pedal, like you're driving for your car. So this one is a shifter. Shifter is your foot is like this, and then when you hit it like that to the left side, so it means the foot. Hi, good morning. The foot is getting higher, getting up like that. So your foot is like this, and then the pedal have little sands, because I'm here in a garage. Is the sun is distracting probably, but anyway, so when you press harder, it's move faster. It's like the car. So I'm making a videos the same with my foot, and then with the machine. See, I focus in the foot like that, and then if you stop it, make it up your foot, and then if you press again, the front is moving the machine. And then if you want to take out this one, getting higher, of course, you done already your sewing, so you take off, you get it high, getting up, and then move forward. Oh, sorry. Okay, and press again the foot, and then it's already done. Up, press, and then left, shifting, and then up, that, and then go, and then up, because you need to turn. I'm holding the camera by myself while I'm sewing, so it's not really 100% straight. I love this machine. It's very convenient, and anyway, it's very affordable. I buy this one is $1,000, but it's already including the shipping. So this model is DDL 8700. I buy this one in 2020 before pandemic, but anyway, I got so lucky when I received this machine because this pandemic I make a mess. So that's why I having a mark over here and mark over here. So I have so many tutorial, but I just don't have a time sometimes because I working also in Walmart as a team lead supervisor. So I just doing this one sometimes if I having a free time, but I doing alterations in my neighborhood. This one is very fun, even I just only using my one hand. See, ayan. Yes, it's like if you know how to drive, you can use also the pedal for your machine. You can control it very easy. Alright, I hope that you enjoy it and I hope that you like it. Just let me know the comments and below if you like the video or you want me to get more details for my videos, and I can show you more. I can make anytime this week because I have 3 days off. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. I hope you like my videos, and just let me know if you need more about my machines, about the juki machines, the overlock machines. I really like also my juki machines, my overlock machine, and then I having a tutorial before, but it's not very like probably understanding because it's been long time. I just make it so quick because I'm rushing all the time when I do the videos. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye. This is my business name. Thank you. Bye bye.